Hello, everyone. I'm Darnie Samuel, Program Manager of Job Location and Development at the American University Career Center. Joining me today is Michaela Doomlau, Career Advisor Assistant here at the Career Center, and Alexandra Okendo, Media and Communications Assistant at the Career Center as well. And today, the three of us will share some essential information that will help you prepare for the upcoming virtual Spring 24 Job and Internship Fair. By now, you've probably heard about the upcoming fair, whether that was through an email you received from the AU Career Center or maybe somewhere posted while you're walking through the hallways. We want to share that the fair is coming up on Wednesday, March 27th from 1 to 4 p.m., and that is Eastern Time. The fair will be hosted virtually on Handshake.
That's right, Darnice. This fair presents an amazing opportunity for students to engage with employers across the country for the comfort of their own homes. It's ideal for those in pursuit of summer internships or just looking to explore career options.
That's right, Alex. I've already heard that many employers have started to sign up for the fair, many of which are outside of the DMV area. So here's a tip to get you all ready and prepared for the fair. Make sure you're actively looking for jobs and internship opportunities on Handshake starting now. Identify those that particularly resonate with you and line up with your interests and with your experience. And be sure to follow those employers that you're interested in so that you are notified whenever they come up with new sessions during the fair that you can sign up for.
Thank you for that tip, Michaela. Yeah, I can confirm that there are over 75 employers that are currently registered for the fair, and these employers come from many different parts around the areas, around the world, some from New York, Maine, Chicago, and so forth. I also found that the United Nations volunteer program, headquartered in Austria, is also amongst the participants as well.
Wow, imagine landing an internship in Europe. That could be amazing. Yeah, internships in general, they provide an amazing opportunity not only to gain real world experience, but also to start forging connections with people within the industry you're interested in. And these connections can last a lifetime. So this fair is really a great time to start networking and start doing that.
Or consider the potential job opportunities for seniors seeking new horizons.
That's very true. So let's get down to business. The first step for the fair is to register. So that is the first step to be a part of the virtual upcoming fair. And registration will open on March 6th at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So mark your calendars for that registration date. However, before registering for the fair, I want to emphasize taking some time to explore the different employers that are coming to the fair, research them, see what type of opportunities they're offering, as well as the eligibility for certain positions. You want to make sure that you're researching ahead of time so that way you're prepared to register for slots to meet with the employers of your top desired or top interest.
Okay, let's head over to Handshake to research companies.
Thanks, Alex. So yes, when you open up Handshake, you'll be on the main page. On the side toolbar here, you want to select events and then select career fairs at your school. There, the multiple career fairs that American University is hosting will show up on your screen. So you want to select the Spring 2024 Job and Internship Fair Virtual. And once that shows up, you'll see a description of the fair along with other tabs where you can see the employers that are going to be attending the fair and the sessions that they'll be offering for the fair.
Is there some easier way to filter through employers by school or eligibility?
Thanks for asking that, Michaela. Yes, so we do have an Excel file sheet that you can find on the Handshake fair page as well. So if you scroll down to the bottom of the fair page, you'll see that there's an employer participant Excel sheet at the bottom. Once that downloads, you can open it up, and that's where you'll find a list of the current employers that have registered for the fair. And on this spreadsheet, students can also filter based on their interests. So we have different categories on that spreadsheet where you can filter maybe based on if you're looking for an employer that is only offering internships or part-time jobs, you can hit this drop down, deselect all the options, and then filter on internships as well as part-time jobs. And the employers that are only offering those opportunities will populate on the spreadsheet. Or if you're looking for, let's see here, an employer that may sponsor for OPT or CPT, you can click this drop down here, select yes, and then from there, all the employers that offer OPT or CPT will populate on the spreadsheet. So this is a great tool that you can use, again, to filter the employers that are going to be at the fair based on what they might be offering and your interests.
That's awesome. So make sure to take a moment to review employers, make plans, and mark your calendars for March 6th at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, which is when registration opens.
In our next episode, we'll discuss the different sessions that employers have, including one-on-one and group sessions. We will go over planning your fair day and prepping your resume and cover letter so that they shine. Remember, preparation is key. Do not hesitate to reach out to the Career Center about making advising appointments either in person or on Zoom.
Remember to check your inboxes for emails from the AU Career Center to receive instructions and updated information. Also, follow us on all of our social media platforms to stay up to date as well. See you next time.